After replacing a battery in modern Porsche vehicles, it is important to perform the battery reset adaptation to clear learned values from the previous battery. This will allow the charging strategy of the vehicle to reset to a new, fresh battery. Today we will be working with our iScan SF and a Porsche Panamera. Be sure the vehicle you're working on is connected to a suitable power supply. Launch Diagnostics. Tap European. Tap Porsche. Tap Diagnostic. Confirm vehicle information is correct. Tap to continue. Tap Individual System Search. Tap Information and Communication System. Tap Gateway. Press Enter to continue. Tap Special Function. Tap Battery Change. In line 1, enter the battery capacity. In this example, the battery is 92 amp hours. In line 2, select the battery type from the drop-down. I've selected Absorbent Glass Mat, AGM. In line 3, enter the battery manufacturer. We'll enter VAR. In line 4, enter the battery part number, 7P0915-105F. Confirm all entered information is correct. Tap Enter to write data. You will receive a confirmation message the new battery information was written successfully. Press Exit when complete.